Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Android tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change app permissions on your Android phone. So this can include enabling or disabling permissions and apps on your Android phone for location, access to your files and pictures, your messages, contacts, notifications, things like that. So the first thing we need to do to actually change app permissions on our Android phone is to open up the settings, and we can do that by swiping up and then in the list of the apps, go to the bottom and find settings, select settings. Once you're in the settings here, there's actually two ways to see and change permissions for apps. The first will be by selecting apps and notifications, which is the third option down. Then select app info, and then you have a full list of apps here. Once you find the app that you want to change the permissions on, select it. And then as you can see right here, there is permissions. Go ahead and select that. And you can see which permissions are allowed and which are denied. If you want to change any of these settings, simply select the permission, and you can change it by either asking it to ask you or deny. Once I change the permission, I can go back and change any of the other permissions for that app. So I'll select location. For location, I'll select ask every time. And this gives me a warning that it will deny it and some things may not work, but it will also ask me to share my location with Chrome. So I'm going to select deny anyways. And then that location has been set. Now, the other way to view and change app permissions on your Android phone is to go back to the main page of the settings here. Once you're here, go down and select privacy. And then as you can see, we have permission manager. This will show all the different permissions available in the settings on Android. And if there's one that we want to limit, all we need to do is select it. So I'll go to location. And this will show all the apps that currently have access to my location and which ones are denied, as well as which ones need to be asked every time. So I can go in here, select an app, and then I can deny or change that permission accordingly. So that's how you change app permissions on an Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.